Alright, good morning guys. So today, unbox tayo and quick look ng newest model ng Adidas, which is Dame Extply 2.0, also known as Dame Certified. So this one, lumabas siya after ng Dame 8. And second version na to ng Extply. If you remember, the first version of Extply is ni-release para sa Dame 7 model. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think the Extply means parang off-season shoes ni Damian Lillard. Okay? So this one, Extply 2.0. Okay, so kinuha natin, size 11. Alright? And itong colorway na to, or itong model na to, is called Signal Cyan, Cloud White, and Shock Cyan. Alright? So out of the box, may bagong-bago pa. Okay. So ito yung tsura niya. Siyang blue, cream, and touch of pink. Dito sa tang and sa likod. Okay. Ang midsole nito is made out of bounce. Alright, so upon sa mga review, actually maganda naman yung cushion ng bounce. Alright, so sa tang niya, nandyan yung dollar. As you know, si Damian Lillard, aside from basketball, pinasok niya rin kasi yung music industry. So Dame D.O.L.LA yung parang naging name niya when it comes to music. Alright. Yung tab niya sa likod, meron yung signal, meron yung logo, rather. Ito. Yung logo ni Damian Lillard na dollar sign. Pero D ang nakalagay. And this one here is yung logo ni Damian Lillard for Adidas. Now, inside, ayan, medyo cute yung loob niya. As you can see. Diyan yung dollar sign. And ayan. So, size 11. Yan, yung die sa loob ng symbol. Okay, so labas natin yung isa. Alright, tabi na natin yung box. Now sa left, shoes, ganun din yung sa tang niya. Sa back, ganun din yung dollar sign. Damian Lillard logo ng Adidas. Oh, but the other one, aside from the dice, is yung Damian Lillard na sign. So, ayan. Yun yung difference nila. So, pakita ko lang guys. Ayan. For comparison ng left and right. Ayan. Okay. So, right off the box, okay naman. Mukhang okay naman yung itsura niya. Outsole niya, seems like grippy din. Yung design niya is wavy. Yun lang, walang kakaiba. Kumbaga, from toe to heel, puro wavy lang. Then, the Damian Lillard na logo in color pink. May nakalagay dito. Sa outsole niya sa gilid, different on levels, the Lord allowed. Alright? Yan yung bounce logo. Okay? Of course, yung tatlong swoosh ng Adidas. And yan. Upon trying the shoes, no, masasabi ko lang na when it comes to sizing, for those, kinuha ko nga size 11, normally size 11 ako sa Nike. I would suggest go half a size down. I think yung 11 ng Adidas is same sa 11.5 ng Nike. Actually, yun din yung mga nakukuha kong feedback or narinig kong feedback sa mga nagtatry ng Adidas or nagsuswitch to Adidas from Nike. What else? Hindi ko pa siya na-try mapang laro, pero siguro gawa tayo ng second video upon performance review. No? So ngayon, ito, yung first look lang muna ng Dame Certified. Ayan. Yun siya. So again, retail pricing bar is 4,500, pero sa website ng Adidas Philippines, limited na lang yung sizes na available niya. Pero I think sa Facebook, like Facebook Market, marami pa rin nagbebenta nito. Don't get confused lang pag tinignan nyo sa website ng Adidas. Sa website ng Adidas, it is in UK. I think sa UK size compared sa US size is down sila ng half or ng 0.5, meaning like ito 10.5 UK to, which is 11 in US. Alright? So yun lang muna for today. Gawa tayo ng panibagong video once na na-review natin yung performance nito. Thanks guys!